Well, good morning from Dynodaze, and first up today is a map of this diesel Civic FN. It's got some modifications, but mostly all, it's got a front mount intercooler, which is essential on these. So let's see what we can make out of this today. We're going to do a standard power run, and then we're going to start tuning. Here we go. Well, time to read this file off, this diesel Civic, and then get modifying it and see how we go using the dyno to see that we're making improvements each time. So we've identified an ECU, and now it's time to make the laptop suck the ECU's brains out. And away we go. And I'm going to sit here in the warmth for the next 5 minutes. Okay, so file has been altered, and this is our preliminary run, so making sure that everything is going to be fine on the dyno. It's warmer in here than it is out there, so I'm pleased to be in the car today. Let's see what power we make. And whilst it actually writes, I noticed that the fan inside this laptop is actually louder than the exhaust on this Civic. That doesn't sound healthy. Okay, so that's my job of the morning completed, and I've mapped this FN diesel up, and it's made 30 brake horsepower, which is all right, and it's going to retain some of the miles per gallon, and it's going to be a lot pokier. It's made 300 foot-pounds of torque, and I think that's going to go pretty well now. Fairly well anyway. Obviously there's more modifications that can be made on this car, and it can make more power, but this is pretty much standard for diesel tuning. We always aim for about 30 brake horsepower. We've achieved that today, so I'm dead happy with that. I've enjoyed being warm in the car, and it makes a change for me. So our Richard is busy fitting a clutch to an EP3, and Gary is fitting some coilovers to a Colt Rally Art. So we're all busy here today. So on to the next task, and I will go and show you the graph. Come on. Okay, so as we always say, red line is as she came in and blue line is as she leaves. And if you look at the graph there, I've made power across the rev range, a great big dollop of torque. I think that's going to feel incredible on the road now. And we finish on just shy of 180 brake horsepower and 305 foot-pound of torque. Not bad at all. There she is. Another one in the bag. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. I know it's only been a short one, but I do really love these diesels. I mean, I always say that I love the FNs, but the diesels are a little bit different, and they've got to be appreciated in their own right. They're pretty quick, and that amount of torque, well, that can put some FN2s to shame. Certainly mine anyway. So I hope today is the day that you click the notification bell or subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Thanks for all your support so far on the YouTube channel. Lots of cool news coming up soon, so stick around. Make sure you subscribe to the Dynodaze community channel as well, where lots of outtakes and bits of news and stuff go on. And hopefully I'll see you on a live chat very soon. Thanks, guys.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.